Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is my image. I shot it a long time ago when I was in art school. Well, I'm going to use this image, and also I'm ready for this line tone image, which is I made it on Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges, and I'm gonna add the layer here, then I'm gonna paint it on this layer. Okay, now let's change the blend mode first. I'm gonna change to the darken on this line pencil image, and also, well, let's see, this base image go down, fade it out about 30% so I can see the tone of this image, like a shadow area, highlight area kind of stuff. Okay, now paint it on color. I want to try on the clear watercolor today. I want to try, so okay, let's go for highlight of her face. I mean his. I want his, try his face, going watercolor wash flat. Okay, let's see. Now size of the brush is about this size, maybe size 166. And the hand, a little bit go out, that's fine, and here too. And this hand, this is maybe too much, I don't know. Says detail, go a little bit small. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the dark area of tuxedo. Well, let's see. Oops. That's okay. That's okay. Want to see the shadow? It's a reflector from this highlight area to go down here, highlight, and main light is here, so darken the core, made this facial core. Well, that's interesting, and want to make this core area to be more strongly. So probably it's gonna make more exaggerate, extend this highlight here. It's an interesting background. We have the highlight shadow, makes the window light here. So how can I express this line? This is gonna be that. This. Maybe more darker. And I'm going to go back to this. Okay. Let's go 100%. Just duplicate layer. Turn this one off. Just keep it. Then this one go back to 70% again. Then convert to pixel layer. And then create empty mask. Then invert mask. Now. Just give it light. Then I want to see this one or overlay. Now you see some. Then I like this contrast. Then yeah, color burned, so I can see here a little bit. Then I want to change this one, leave it there, that's the way. And I'm gonna add some now. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then I'm gonna go back to normal and maybe 40% for this, only this image. But I want part of this image, which is the face, his face. I'm gonna use this one, but let's move this one up. Then this is just a normal, so let's see. Yeah, go back to normal and let's see that his face is kind of, this is much better, I think. So just convert the pixel layer and create the empty mask, then invert mask. I just want his face to be that image here without the mask, right? So I'm gonna reveal on this with that favorite. It's gonna be the soft round opacity, so just check it out. Let's hide touch. Reveal, touch in. I want to take these colors. I don't like these too much. So now let's see about this. Let me see the change that layout mode to. I want some maybe this one, maybe. Let me change this color here too. Okay, a little bit lighter. This one too. Okay, how's this now? Okay, maybe more small to here and here. I only want this much, but yeah, hard light, vivid light. Maybe this is better, I guess. Yeah, I can see here more. So only this. Okay, now finally I guess this is it. I may play around with the layers and layer mode on this image, so I may try again. But thank you for watching, and long time for me, long day today. Thanks so much again, and have a nice day, guys. Thank you. Ciao.